All right, this is Algebra 2, Chapter 5.4. So we're going to be solving radical equations and inequalities. Basically, what we're going to do is solve for x. Okay, so let's get started with number 4. So number 4, if you want to solve for x, first thing you want to do is to square both sides. Okay, after you square both sides, you're going to get 3x plus 10 equals to 64. Now things are just getting pretty easy, right? So just subtract 10 on both sides, and then we got 3x equals to 54, and then divided by 3 on both sides, you're going to get x equals to 18. So for number 6, go ahead and add 10 on both sides. Okay, so you got cube root of x equals to 3. So here, you can just cube both sides. So you got x equals to 27. Easy, huh? Let's look at number 10. So add the 2/3 on both sides. Okay, we'll try to isolate the radical expression. So we got square root of 2x equals to 2 over 3. Okay, now we can just square both sides. I got 2x equals to 4 over 9. So go ahead and multiply by 1/2 on both sides. So I can isolate the x. So x is going to equal to 2 over 9. Add 13 on both sides for number 12. So go ahead and just cancel it. So we got the fourth root of 4x, which is equal to a -2. This is actually an even number of roots. So you cannot, there's no way to equal to a negative number. Okay, so there's no solution. Okay, so let's check out the next one, number 18. All right, so here we go. Now do the same thing, right? You're going to be squaring the both sides. So on the left side, it's going to be simple. It's going to be 2x plus 30. On the right hand side, it's going to be x plus 3 times x plus 3, and you're going to have to FOIL it. Okay, so you FOIL it, you're actually going to get, let me erase this whole thing. So you're actually going to get x squared plus 6x plus 9. Now we got a little work to do. Just go ahead and move everything from the left hand side. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. Subtract 2x and then subtract 30. So the left hand side it's going to equal to 0. Okay, so it's going to equal to x squared plus 4x minus 21. Okay, so now factor it. You know what to do. So it's going to be x plus 7 times x minus 3. So your x is actually going to be -7 or +3. So you have to actually go ahead and check out whether which one is working and which one is not working. Okay, so if you actually just go ahead and plug this into the x right here, you're going to have -7 plus 3, which is going to equal to -4. Check this out. The square root cannot equal to a negative value. Okay, square root has an index number of 2. It's an even number, cannot equal to a negative value. Okay, so which means that -7 does not work. So your answer is actually going to be x equals to 3. All right, so here, this is an easy one. All you need to do is go ahead and add the square root of x plus 12 on both sides. Okay, what that does is you're going to have square root of 3x minus 3 equals to positive square root of x plus 12. So here, you can just go ahead and just square both sides, right? Okay, so everything becomes a lot easier after this. You're going to get 3x minus 3 equals to x plus 12. Okay, simple, right? So you're going to go ahead and subtract x on both sides. You're going to add 3 on both sides. And then you're going to get 2x equals to 15. Divided by 2 on both sides, you're going to get x equals to 15 over 2. Okay, so let's look at the next page. So next page is telling you guys to solve for the radical inequalities and all that. So what you're gonna do here, inequality symbol is the same thing as equal sign. Okay, don't get it don't get it twisted. So all you need to do is cube the both sides, and what's gonna happen here is gonna be x minus 4 is less than or equal to 125, and all you need to do is just add 4 on both sides, and that's it. Okay, x is less than or equal to 129. Okay, so cube both sides. So you're going to get x plus 7 is greater than or equal to 27. And you just go ahead and subtract 7 on both sides. So you're going to get x is greater than or equal to 20. Okay, so that's it. Peace out.